See, how will you find center of gravity? Any idea? See, you have given two things. Density. Density is denoted by rho, and it is constant. Constant means uh, there is no function, right? Okay. And the curve is a parabola, and x plus 2 is a line. This is a line. So first we find point of intersection. Understood? So whenever you are asked to find center of gravity, first find area. Why? And you know how to find area? Area is what? You know how to find area? Area goes from y is equal to parabola to line. And x goes from where? Point of intersection. When you put x. Minus 2x plus x. X is equal to minus 1 to 2. Actually, I draw a figure wrong because point of intersection is minus 1. So this is parabola. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. And put y is equal to 0, x will be minus 2. This is line. Okay. That's why point of intersection is minus 1. When you put minus 1, you will get 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. And one more point is there, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Right? So first we find integral area. Area is what? X squared to line. Dx dy. And then y goes from 0 to, sorry, x goes from minus 1 to 4, right? Sorry, minus 1 to 2, right? So first we find area. What is area? And this is x plus 2 minus x squared. Four by 2 plus 4, 8 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 by 3. Right. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is the area. Okay. Now see. Yes. For center of gravity, you have two things, x bar and y bar. What is formula of x bar? This is the formula of x bar. 1 upon area. Right? Yes. 1 upon area. And this is x goes x1 to x2. dx, right? Density is 0. Okay. Okay. So what is the value of x bar? X bar is x y1 minus y2. What is y1? This is y1 and this is y2. Okay. And what is y1? 1 upon a 1 upon 2a x1 x2 y1 square minus y2 square dx. Right? Here area is 9 by 2. Right? First we find x bar. What is x bar? 1 upon a. X goes from -1 to 2. X y2 is x square x plus 2 whole square. Not square. Yes, yes. Understood? 9 by 2 is 2 by 9 x cube minus x square minus 2x. This is x bar. Okay. 1.5. Okay. Now what is y bar? Y bar is 1 upon 2a x1 to x2 y1 square minus y2 square. Note this formula x bar and y bar. Before finding center of gravity, first tell me what is the area of this. Can you tell me? Tell me what is the area of this? RDR. This is area formula for x bar in polar form 1 upon a 0 to 2 pi. right? 0 to 2 pi, 0 to a 1 plus cos theta, x dA. Okay, this is formula. For here, put x is equal to r cos theta in polar form, and dA is dx dy. Y will be 0. Why? Because when you draw the diagram, center of gravity lies on x-axis, not on y-axis. So y-axis 0. So find the value of x bar and check whether this is 5a by 24 is not or not. Okay. Yes. So I told you already how to find area and how to find x bar and y bar. Check this.
So for area between 0 to pi or 0 to pi by 2.
Uh, this is cardioid, na? So for cardioid, always take 0 to pi. Why not pi by 2? Because here is larger region and this is smaller region. This is not symmetric. Not symmetric means they are not similar. That's why you are taking directly 0 to pi. But
Yes.
but in circle you take 0 to pi by 2 into 2. Why? Because this is symmetric. Suppose its area is a, it is also a 2a, right?
Yes.
For cardioid, always remember 0 to pi. What is the value of area? 3 pi square by 2. And what you are getting? 2a vector. Okay, let's check. Area is. Okay, actually, this is for a single part. When you multiply, see, 2, 0 to pi, r square by 2 means a square, 1 plus cos theta whole square. Theta. I am getting 3 pi only. 3 pi a square. Okay. Yes, yes, later. Okay. X bar is 1 upon 3 pi a square, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to a 1 plus cos theta. And what is x? X is r cos theta. And what is dA? R dr d theta. For dx dy, no need to multiply anything. But when you do in polar form, take r dr d theta. Okay. You solve like this. Okay. R square. It will be r cube. R cube means a cube 1 plus cos theta whole cube. You can use you can use direct calculator for this type of question. In calculator, put 0 to 2 pi cos theta cos x, right, cos x 1 plus cos x cube dx. In your calculator, the integration you can do. Okay, solve this part. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square. Integration is very lengthy. Okay.